Hello, my name is Ifya Educhua Akoa. I am 9 and the school I go to is Villac International School. I am competing in the codeavour competition AI 2020 by MakersPlace. And the name of my project is Cheese Chase. So Mimi the mouse over here, Mimi the mouse, she's trying to get the cheese, but the ghost and the beetle keep on they keep on disrupting her from doing that. And every time she gets the cheese or eats the cheese disappears, then comes again to another place. Okay, let's see how it goes. Well, that's how the ghost stops the game. And let's see how